The Prince family was tricked by the Grinch to meet him at the park at 3 a.m. Upon returning home, they discovered their presents were stolen and their Christmas tree was destroyed. They revealed footage that showed the Grinch breaking into their house and causing chaos. The Grinch knocked over decorations, rummaged through presents, and made a mess in the kitchen. The family speculate about the Grinch's identity and motives, concluding he hates Christmas. The Grinch was seen destroying items in the children's room and stealing presents. The family realized they should not have listened to the Grinch and felt their Christmas was ruined. They decided to ignore any future communications from the Grinch. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. See you in the next video. Till that and take care. Bye bye.